If truly the Igbos have the dominion spirit in them to dominate other tribes, they would have dominated us successfully because they are larger in numbers. Yes, but because they do not have such spirit in them, the Igbo man just want to make money, live and let's live. That is the mentality of the Igbo man. The Igbo man has no intention of dominating or taking your land or grabbing anything that belongs to you. That is the problem the Fulani has with them, because the Fulani people are the ones that wants to dominate. Now I will even speak about the Yorubas. The problem with the Yorubas is this: the Yoruba people are very pretentious people. They pretend a lot. They have the same attitude as the Fulani. They want to dominate, but their own, they don't come and invade you, buy you or kill you. They use tactics, bets. They use reproduction, like the Oba Palace today. You all know the story of the Oba Palace. The one they call Olu of Ori. You know the people behind it. They are the Yorubas. They want to use the Olu that is a king of Shekiri. They want to use it to dominate Wari. That is why they put it Olu of Ori. It's their son. The Oba of Benin is their son. So Yoruba people, this is for you. You guys have a dominion spirit, but you are pretending, putting it on the head of the Igbos. I am an Urobo woman. I have never seen the Igbos who live in Delta or in Wari, Sapele, trying to dominate. They don't have it. If not, maybe I will be speaking Igbo today, but I preserve my language because they never dominated or invaded my ancestors. So all of you should drop this hate that you are deceiving us, that Ojukwu wanted to scatter Nigeria. What is good in the Nigeria today? What is good in the one Nigeria that you have been preserving, lying against Ojukwu, whereas Ojukwu wanted the best for